Hello folks, we're going to do an unboxing of this 52-inch ceiling fan which my wife got from Lazada. And one of the unique feature about this fan is it says here 2-in-1 airflow. I don't know if you can see it. It means that by reversing of the rotation of the blades, it can vary the flow from either going to the ceiling, going through the ceiling, or away from the ceiling. And yeah, so the brand is American Legacy. Anyway, we'll see that later. And the price is no, do that. 1,000 here at the bottom. Oh, 1,699 there. So we'll do the unboxing. So just for safety, be careful with the scissors and the cutter there if you need to use it. So alright, okay, we remove the bubble wrap. Next thing we do is we'll remove the plastic cover and the tapes. It's still sealed, yeah, so we remove the adhesive tapes and break the seals. Okay, let's see what's inside. Package is nice.
Ooh.
Yeah. So it appears that the blades are made of wood, and there are 4 pieces of it. Okay. Some instruction manual there.
Yes.
And what's this? Okay. I don't know what they are yet. I think this is for attaching the blades. Some screws there. Yeah. And I think this is for the switch. Yeah. Alright, some more used accessories. So this is the motor itself, I think. No, this is not the motor yet. This is just for the valve. So you have 4 receptacles to receive the 5 valves. 4 on the sides and 1 in the middle. And here's the big motor itself. Okay, just put it down. Put it down there. And then what else? Anything else there? Okay. I think that's for the valve. Yeah. In the middle. Check if they are intact. Okay. Okay, what we'll do is we'll remove all the covers and show to you guys what's inside. So the documents that come with this are these ones. So you have the instruction manual here, how to assemble, how to install, and then you have the warranty card here, warranty card, instruction manual. And this is now the whole ceiling fan. So you have the blades, the blade holder here. This is for the lamp assembly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are the light diffusers. So the small ones to the 4 sides of it.
Yeah.
So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and the main one at the bottom in the middle, like that. Yep. And the bolts and nuts and screws. I believe this is the mounting plate. This one is I forgot what it's called. So anyway, it connects to this. This is the motor, by the way, the main motor. It's rated at 60 watts. Okay, the motor. And if you look at the construction, it's pretty good. It's pretty hefty and a little bit heavy. A few kilos, maybe 3 or 4 kilos. And the motor is of course inside. And this is where you attach the lamp mounting. There, something like that. I have to learn that yet. And as was mentioned, the cool feature about this thing is you can reverse the rotation of the blades, and to do that there's a switch here, yeah, like so. And to activate the fan, you have this pull switch, yeah. So you connect them together. And then for the lights, It has also its own switch, but for the light it only has one, so it's just an on and off. And I believe for the electric motor here, it has 3 speeds. Okay, and yeah, that's it. It's pretty cool, and for its price, 1,699 pesos, which is about 35 US dollars. It's pretty good value. I know it's in sale, even at 2.5. I think it's still a great value for money for a ceiling fan and the lamp. So the next thing that we'll do is on how to assemble this thing.
Yes.
Thank you, and hope you like the video and that helps you in deciding whether to buy this one or not on Lazada. Thank you. Have a good day.